wax paper, parchment paper, and we get that from, I like the Costco brand Kirkland parchment paper is what I personally use. There's others out there. If you're in a pinch for it and there's not a Costco near you, make sure you get a quality name brand parchment paper. The last thing you want is it to separate into the, your rosin to separate into the paper. Also, never, ever, ever use wax paper. And that's the result so far. We're going to peel it off down here by the scale, guys, and get an actual weight. Let's see, we got 56 minutes left, and there's some rosin coming, or 50 seconds, sorry, minutes. That'd be a hell of a long extraction, wouldn't it? And there's some nice rosin coming off the plates there with a minute left. Okay, 0.92 of a gram back from 3.5. If you guys don't know about terp files, we're going to go ahead and log this in our terp files. It'll be under Nug Smasher. This one will. You got a flower picture, didn't you? The actual picture of the bud will be in there, so you can get close-ups on that. If you don't have terp files, it's our free app, Nug Smasher app. You can get it at the Apple Store or Google Store. It's an absolute must. There's a lot of great tools in there, especially if you have a Pro or an XP. The calculator tools on there, which you need to have for sure. You can see what this is doing so far. So it'll be interesting to see if there's a yield difference here, what the story is. So that is a square, and I'm going to make the point why we don't advocate that. You see the rosin in the corners here? Makes me cry. See that? And I packed that bag was packed really even, and the corners are filled, but that's rosin in the corners there. So anyway, let's see what our actual yield is here. Still looks pretty healthy. Same color, so that comes with the actual pressure. Or it appears to be real close to the same color at least. It does look like a lighter yield. I think it's in that bag, I'm afraid to say. But we'll have to weigh it at the end. I've been wrong before. But it'll be really interesting to see what the difference in the yield is. So what is the difference from a square extraction like most people just have to do and a bottle textile extraction? You'll really see why we do it. But really nice quality material there. Really good quality stuff. All right, let's take it down to the scale here. So the bottle textile was a 0.92 of a gram. And this was the rectangle. I use a Nug Smasher everything tool to collect. Wow. So it's exact same flour, exact same amount, same bag. This is exactly why we advocate extracting bottle textile. I like an extra quarter of a gram out of every 3.5 grams of flour, let me tell you. So the quality is real close to the same. It's just the yield amount's quite a bit different. So that's a bottle textile quality. And then this is that's the rectangle quality. So the quality is all.
Alright, so I had to build another piece. It's another one of those side levers that I was talking about, to where it elevates and does something. Yeah, fully functioning and moving parts. See, yeah, to place it to where this is in there, and now it controls this little trap door right there. Blip, blip, blip. Lord Vader gonna be throwing shit around later on. Hey, this weekend y'all might actually get to see the rest of this build, man. Shout out to part 1 of the video. We already 47 minutes deep. Appreciate the 5 people that liked the video.